What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Yeah, I know it might be a little bit trippy that you're seeing two of the same cars. One's a different size, you know, it's all looking all strange. I have to give a huge thanks to Game Shack in Bramley, that's in Brampton, Canada, for actually coming through to get this model for me. These products are also, you know, sponsored by them. So yes guys, so this is the Porsche GT2 RS, and I don't see a lot of people on YouTube really review them. There are content with them there, but again, you know, they're kind of hard to get. So I do see a lot of people feature this size model, which I think it's a 124 model. And these are also nice too. This one is upgraded. I have an upgraded battery in it. And this one, as I said before on camera, this one was built by my daughter. And we decided that we'll, for this well, according to them it's called Vlogmas, but I don't think I'll be doing every single day, but on my channel I'll be trying to do content with this car now every other day if possible, to build this one and put a brushless system inside of it. So you can definitely follow the journey on this one, because I want to see if I can build this one to maybe get up to around maybe 30 miles per hour. It won't be easy, but it has been done. I've seen people do it, so we'll see how that will work out. But this one will be a giveaway car, guys. It does the same thing just like this model here. This model as well, you can open the door. You can open the door just like this one as well. So Rastar, or I should say Rastar, really did a good job with bringing these models to life. They are very detailed. And you know, I do see some people sometimes comment and they're like, you know, they do prefer these type of models to modify, because there's kind of nothing like that in the bigger scale hobby cars. And you know, some people will settle for a little bit of a smaller size where that's concerned, especially for the detail scale that they get, and you know, the whole color code and how they put the car together. So you know, that's a plus. And you know, as I said, this car will be a giveaway car. It's very good for, you know, little carpet driving. You can gift it to your son, a nephew, or if you even, you know, want to keep it for yourself. Because as I said, it's a very good display car. You have people that do, you know, collect car models and put in their office or the houses or whatever the case may be. But the cool thing about this thing is that it's a good display model and it's also remote control. So, you know, you technically get the best of both worlds. So all you have to do to be entered in that giveaway is to just be subscribed to the channel, like the video, and also follow me on Instagram, and I'll be posting all of that and tagging right down below in the screen, you know, my Instagram. So again, subscribe to the channel, like the videos coming up on, you know, the channel, and also follow me on Instagram. And then if you're in the States or in Canada, this will be coming to you if you're the selected winner. So that's that, guys. Coming back to this, you guys can definitely look out for the build process for this. I won't be doing every single breakdown video to show how I modify this car, but I'll be definitely filming some content. Why I won't be doing like a very in-depth video is because this specific model, guys, is very hard to modify, especially because of some of the things that pertain with what's under the body. But nevertheless, you know, not really afraid of a little bit of a challenge, so we're going to get it done because it has been done before. So you know, stay tuned, drop a like and subscribe.